Mr. G.
Last night as I lay dreaming of pleasant days gone by, my mind been bent on rambling to Ireland I did fly. I stepped on board a vision, I followed with a will, till next I came to anchor at the cost at Spencer. Was on the 23rd of June, the sun before the fair, when island sons and daughters were all assembled there. The young and the bold, the brave and the old, their duty to fulfill, at the parish church in Cluny, miles from Spencerville. My neighbours, to see what they were saying. The old ones all were dead and gone, the young ones turning grey. I met with a tailor Quiggy, he's as bold as ever still. He used to make my bridge when I lived at Spencerville. I paid a flying visit to my first landlord. She's as fair as any lily, as gentle as a dove. I threw her arms around me, saying, Johnny, I love you still. She's met the farmer's daughter, the bride of Spencerville. I held and kissed her as in the day no more. She said, Johnny, you're only joking, as many the time before.